guys a little taste of Africa on our first night here. I'm excited. Whenever the weather's nice outside, let's have a braai. But you guys would say, let's have a barbecue. This is what I would do for my family on a day when the weather's nice and I can get out on the grill. So we'll see how that goes down. You guys have to eat with your hands though. So you can't eat with knife and fork. This is all like hands and, well, we'll have to clean your hands up a little bit, but you'll be fine.
Wash his hands.
Yeah, you'll be good. You'll be just fine. So yes, I'm cooking spinach with peanut butter, a cucumber and tomato onion salad, and something called chakalaka, which is quite popular in South Africa. I hope no one has a peanut allergy or...
Is it Jif? I can do Jif, I can't do real peanut butter.
I got some Jif because that's all I could find. I even tried to go to like specialty markets, but y'all don't have Whole Foods out here, so, you know, couldn't get some fresh made peanut butter.